Hey, so best Amazon reimbursement service, services, tools, software. In this video, I'm going to share 7 examples of such services with you. In the description of the video, I'm going to have links with special offers for all of these services that I'm going to mention. As well, I'm going to have links to video tutorials and blog posts about these services that will help you with using them and making the most out of them. So check it out in the description. And my name is Vova Evan. Great to meet you. Seller on Amazon since 2016. First one is Getida. Getida, I've been working with them close to a year now for reimbursements. Pretty awesome guys. They do a lot of work for you, so it's pretty much hands-off tool for Amazon reimbursements or service. But the thing is, they take percentage of what they're able to recover for you. So if they recover money for you, they're going to take 25%. I've been working with them, pretty good company, and I'm pretty happy. So this is Getida. The second one is Helium 10 Refund Genie. Now, the cons of Helium 10 Refund Genie is that you have to do more manual work with Refund Genie. Getida is more hands-off. But the good thing about Helium 10 Refund Genie is that they're not going to take a percentage of what they're able to recover for you. In the description, I have free Helium 10 account, free trial with special discounts. So you can try Helium 10 Refund Genie. Third one is Sellerboard. Sellerboard is somewhat similar to Refund Genie by Helium 10. With Sellerboard, you're again going to have to do a bit more manual work, but they're not going to charge you a percentage of what you will be able to recover. There's a special free trial of 2 months for Sellerboard in the description. The next one is Sellerise. Sellerise with Dima Kubrak. Also, there's a video tutorial for this tool and all the other tools as I mentioned, and special free trial of Sellerise, also with a special discount. Sellerise is also going to be able to recover money for you, a bit more manual work from your side. However, they're not going to charge you a percentage. So again, these are the good things about these 3. The Getida is more automated, but again, you're gonna get money to them if they're able to recover money for you. With the other services, you have to pay for the service, like for the software, and you're not gonna pay percentage. The 5th one is Seller Locker. Also, all the links in the description. Free trial with a special, I believe, $1,000 on the house offer. So first $1,000 are gonna be percentage free for you. With Seller Locker, similar to Getida, they are gonna do most of the work for you, but they also charge 25%, I believe. The next one is gonna be Seller Investigators. Seller Investigators also is gonna be similar to Getida somewhat to Seller Locker. They are gonna charge you a percentage, 25% of what they'll be able to recover for you. However, again, they do most of the work for you, so it's more hands-off approach. And the last one is Refund Sniper. They're gonna charge you 30% of the earnings, actually of the recovery fees that they're going to be able to recover, but they're going to charge 30% on that. But again, it's more automated approach with Refund Sniper. All the links to all of them are in the description, all the special offers and all the tutorials. And I wish you a great day.